Hello, my name is Michael Sandoz. I'm a registered dietitian here at East Jefferson General Hospital Wellness Center, and today I wanted to talk to you about energy balance. We're going to be filming a little short video, give you some information, some useful tips that you can use that hopefully will help you meet your goals. So whether it is to reduce your body weight, maintain your current weight, or gain some muscle, it's really important to understand sort of the basics in terms of the energy balance equation. And you can think of it kind of like a seesaw, okay? And on one side, we'll say the left side, you've got this energy in part, okay? And that is basically going to be what you eat and what you drink, all right? So that's going to be one side. And on the right side, you've got your energy out, all right? And those are going to be a few different variables that can control that, okay? But when those two things are in balance, theoretically, you're going to be maintaining where you're at in terms of your current body weight, okay? So we talked about the left side. On the right side, in terms of the energy out, you got a few different things. You have your physical activity, so regular physical exercise that you have planned out, so running or jogging or swimming, whatever kind of regular physical activity that you do. You have the biggest component, which is going to be your resting metabolism or basal metabolic rate, okay, and that's basically how much calories you burn at rest. You have something called the thermic effect of food, and that is basically the calories that you burn from simply eating. So the digestion of food does burn some calories. And then finally, you have something called NEAT, N-E-A-T, and that just stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and that basically just is sort of just random movements that you do throughout the day that actually burns calories. So it could be just like fidgeting or tapping your foot throughout the day. Those things can add up and affect that energy out. Okay, so you got two sides of that seesaw. So if your goal is to say to maintain where you're at, well, you're looking at keeping your calories in, matching in with your calories out through what you're taking in with your food and beverages, and then through what you're doing with your exercise, your activity, your NEAT, and the other components, okay? If you're looking to lose some weight, okay, we're gonna have to tip that scale this way, and we're gonna have to burn more energy than we're taking in, okay? So that's mainly gonna be controlled by what you're doing with your exercise, and then probably eating a little bit less, okay? If your goal is to say to gain some weight, gain some lean body mass, okay, we might actually have to tip that scale a little bit this way, okay? So where we're actually eating a little bit more dependent upon what your goal is to put on some healthy lean tissue. So depending upon what your goal, you'll have to determine for yourself to see which way you're going to tip that sort of seesaw. And an easy way to kind of get this started is to just determine about how many calories you burn. And you can do that simply by going to an online website that will show you, after you enter in your age, your height, your weight, your activity level, about how many calories you need per day. And I'm going to leave that link there for you below the video here today, so you can kind of get a good estimate about what you need or what you require each day. Now, if you want to lose or maintain or gain, that number is going to shift a little bit. So that's the information I have for you today. I appreciate you tuning in and listening, and stay tuned for some future videos where you get some more good nutrition information here from us. Thank you.